Okie dokies. I've been doing a little bit of thinking lately. The past few months, I've been trying to decide on what gun to get, and I've been thinking about getting a Glock. Yes, I know. I'm not a really big fan of Glock, simply because they're just overrated, and just I heard a bunch of stories of them jamming and breaking and malfunctioning and all that crap, but I don't know. I figured I'd give one a shot, but I'm not sure which one I want to try. And as you all know, I love my Sigma. And do a little safety check. Okay, put that off to the side. There's nothing in there. Okay. Now, as you know, I do love my Sigma, the SW9VE. It's easy to take down, easy to clean, very accurate. But I'm now thinking about getting a Glock. Only problem is, there's about 15 or 20 different Glocks out there to choose from, and I don't know which one to get. You got the Glock 17, the Glock 18, which, if the Glock 18 was at all possible to get, I would get the Glock 18 with no question. Absolutely. You got the Glock 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now, the 23 is pretty cool. You've seen this video of this old guy shooting the Glock 23 from, I think it was 230 yards and hitting the targets. This guy's name is Glock 45. Very cool dude. If you haven't seen his videos, go check him out. Glock 45. You got, what, I think there's a Glock 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and it goes up to, like, I think 36 or 37. I think the last two Glocks are competition Glocks. So, probably not those. What I'm thinking, well, I pretty much have it narrowed down to the Glock 22, Glock 23, 19, or 17. Well, 17 not so much. I don't really care for that. But the Glock 19, the Glock 22, and the Glock 23. Maybe even the Glock 30. I was looking at one a few weeks ago that was $530. Brand new, a Glock 22C. And the C, of course, stands for compensated, which means it has a hole in each side of the slide, on the top of the slide. And that will, of course, let the gases escape through the top, so you won't have as much muzzle flip. Okay? So, I mean, that one looks pretty cool. I don't know. Anyway, if you'd like to, you can leave me a video response telling me which Glock you would go for and why, or you can just leave me a comment in the comment section below telling me which one and why, and maybe that'll help me make my decision. I don't know. Anyway,